Another day, another recovery. Back in South Sac. The ground is still wet. Tons of rain out here in California. Everything is mush, never-ending bottom. And people are getting stuck on the daily. She just fell in the big old hole right there. But here we go. We got the first one, right? That's what we came for. And then pulled up. And look what we got right here. Whoo, buddy. Sunk it. This is going to end up taking a little while. That thing's heavy as could be. And yeah, and it's getting dark. Holy crap.
Yeah.
All right, the other guy pulled up. I believe his name is Mike. Getting that thing rigged up right now. Trying to find some tow points. Got a single line snatch block, or a single line pull running. No snatch blocks just yet. And we're back here just providing some light. Got the new redeemed LED light kit hooked up on this thing. 14 lights. It's a beast. Got some Rhino gear. Let them use my stuff. Get it hooked up. I was not planning on doing a recovery. I took a lot of my gear out of the vehicle to clean it the other day, and it's sitting on my front porch drying off. So I don't have my axle straps, I don't have my snatch blocks, none of that stuff, which sucks because that tractor is 100% gonna need some snatch blocks on it. It is completely buried on the left side. I'm hoping tomorrow I'll just come back out and grab that in the morning. We'll see. All right, here we go, making the first pull. See if he's gonna start getting dragged in. Oh, it's hunkering him down. She's moving. It looked like it was moving a little bit. All right, here we go. He's giving it just a little bit of gas. He's getting dragged in. Let's see if he ends up hooking up. He's getting dragged. It's not moving. All right, it's hard to see, but we got this thing anchored off to the back 2 hitch shackles. Maybe 5-6 foot right there at best. There we go. And now it's gonna winch again. That should be the difference we need. All right, second attempt.
Yeah, I'm going right.
Give it just a tiny bit of gas, just a little bit. Not too bad.
Hold that. Yeah, run over the strap. Don't run over the strap. Hold on.
You got it. But this is pretty deep too, so we're not quite out of it yet. All right, that was enough to get him out, so we're gonna reposition again. Ooh, dude, that hole was brutal. But like I said, we're not quite out of it yet. We still got this big hole right here. All right, third pulley just repositioned. Let's see if she moves. It should come right out, but let's see how deep this hole is right here. There it is.
Hang on.
Hold on. Whoa. Hang tight, stop.
Okay. Yep. I see your truck. Yeah.
All right. Turn Turn your wheel
Okay.
passenger just a little. Yep.
Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Less gas. There she is. Not bad at all. That was fairly quick and easy. It took longer to hook up the gear than it did to winch it out. So let's see if I think the game plan is to try and grab this tractor tonight. All right, this is how we got it hooked up. Big 40,000 pound tree saver connected to both winches. 12,000 pound winch, 12,000 pound winch, both synthetic, snatch block on each end. This is how you run a snatch block if you're new here. It comes out straight out of the winch, around the snatch block, straight back. I'm gonna do this twice, essentially doubling each winch's pulling power, but this thing is big. It is no joke. It's gonna be a tough pull. And we'll see. Only concern is this strap, if it's gonna hold. There's really no good areas to connect to on these things, but we'll put a little bit of tension on it and see how it goes. Switched it up just to play it safe. We're gonna run 2 different connection points. That way, if anything does fail, it's not gonna take out both of them. It's got a big sling, endless loop. I'm still running my tree saver. My tree saver is a little worn out, so I've used it as a bridle a few times. So it's got some damage right here. It needs to be replaced, but I was not expecting to do any recoveries tonight. I did not bring a lot of my stuff. But we're about to make our first pull. Let's see how she goes. All right, progress. She is moving, so we are getting it. I'm gonna try and set up my camera right here. No, you're not locked though still. Locked. Yeah, there we go. All right, stop. Yeah, that tire hasn't been spinning, so we're almost there. Another 10 feet and we should get it. This tree should help come up on top. Oh my God. Re-rigging it again. This is maybe our 3rd or 4th attempt, but it's moving right out. 2 snatch blocks, 2 winches is usually the trick to most recoveries. I've only had a handful that didn't work. But yeah, he's almost out. We just got to rewind the winches and we'll be good to go. Had to reset. We're almost there though. The only problem is he's starting to touch that fence a little bit. Guys, my phone is dying, but we're making progress. We're running out of room. He's getting bound up in the fence, which is what I figured would happen. So we've got some traction boards down in here. It's that one tire is holding us up right now. So if he can come up on that and come this way, he should be out. But let's freeze pull the winches and see if he can drive. Probably gonna lose those boards or break them. No, we need to get those boards under it. Okay.
Put the bucket down.
And then, yeah, now if he tilts forward.
And come forward. Go down and come forward at the same time.
Now go and go. And grab, move your bucket. Move your bucket.
Tilt.
No.
Down.
Yeah.
No, come down.
And now do that.
Other way.
All right, so next morning we are back out here. Get it rigged up again. We're gonna try and pull it forward. We're actually just gonna try and slide this whole front end over. What I didn't realize last night is we have this big tree stump, so we just ran right under the fence. That should work. Double snatch blocks right to the front. Just get that front end out. Once these front wheels are on pavement, we should be all right. But we will see. Try forward. You're almost out.
So I put the belt in or? Yeah? बाबू थोड़ी टायर इधर करो टायर थोड़ी जी गैस दबा हाँ जी निकल गया अंदर लॉक है पूरा लॉक है तो अंदर लॉक है अनलॉक कर दो कहंदा अच्छा तेरे करो ध्यान चलो
That was nice and easy.
Perfect.
Dude, we made that easy with that stump right there. That's exactly what we needed. But now I have to get my traction boards out of this. I'll show you guys, this is exactly why we put leashes on these things. But unfortunately, I think we're gonna exceed the weight rating of this leash because it's under 3 feet of mud. I'm just gonna try and winch it out, but we might break the leash on it. And if so, then it is what it is. It's gonna, 2 traction boards stuck forever. But see, there's no way in heck you'd be able to find these things without this leash. When you run these boards, put the leash way off to the side, but it's literally under 3 foot of mud right there. So I'm just gonna try and winch off of this, see if I can get it out. I don't have high hopes, but we will see. All right, here we go. It's literally pulling the Jeep in. It might break though. The whole Jeep is moving, trying to winch a traction board. Oh, it's moving, it's going. Nice and easy, we don't want to get too hard on it. The problem is there's 2 of them down there. There it goes. Ah, broke it, I knew it. But we made some progress. Let me see if I can find it now. Plan B. It's gonna bring the tractor back out and just try and dig it out a little bit. We will see. It's right here under this root. That's it. Come this way more. Yeah. And just push it. Down. Maybe back down. You didn't get nothing. Put it back down. Yeah. Here we go. Try it. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Keep going. There she is. There's one. Golly. Holy. Oh. Perfect. They got that stump out too. Good job. Oh my God, guys. Shoo. Literally 50 to 60 pounds of mud on that. It's no joke. We got it. Now turn the bucket up. Solid. Yeah. All right. We're done. We're done. Made it this far. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button for me. Plenty more recoveries coming up. And I'll see you guys next time.